Cello tape and thermocol are two things that we all use at some point. Have you ever wondered how these are made? Let's see in this video. At first, we see the manufacture of thermocol. Polystyrene, which is a byproduct of petroleum, is the main material used in the manufacture of thermocols. Once the hot air hits it, which is very small in size, it starts to expand. There are polyester beads that expand up to 50 times. This raw material is put into large sacks and first deposited in a machine. From there they are taken to another machine where they are blown with hot air. Then it turns into large balls of expanded thermocol. These are first stored in large containers for 1 or 2 days and then taken to the molding machine as needed. Inside this, thermocol's beads are reheated and pressurized into desired shapes. It can be made in any style, from small bowls to large blocks. Just need to change the shape of the molds. These are kept for 3 to 5 days to allow the large blocks to lose moisture and gain strength. These blocks can be transported as per the customer's requirement. If smaller pieces are required, the blocks are passed through a cutter and cut by melting the thermocol with hot wires. Now these are packed and stored. Thermocols are 98% air, which is why they feel weightless. Next we see how cello tapes are made. It is called sellotape because it is made from a material called cellophane. The first process for making sellotape is to make large sheets of the cellophane. For this, first the pulp obtained from the wood is mixed with rubber and melted. After that, the mixture is spread in a thin layer. After a few hours in acidic solution, it turns into a cellophane sheet. It is made into large rolls and stored in the factory. Now the next step is to make the glue that comes with cello tape. A mixture of natural rubber is used as an adhesive. They arrive at the factory in large blocks and are cut into smaller rolls by loading into a roller. This is done for ease of melting. Now all these rolls are put inside the boiler. This mixer will melt into a thick liquid. This is the glue on cello tape. Now this glue should be copied to the previously prepared cellophane sheets. For that, this liquid is added to the machine that passes these sheets and the glue is applied to the sheets in the same thickness. They are coated with glue and made into large rolls from which samples are collected for quality testing. The thickness, elasticity and adhesiveness of these sheets are all tested. Now we have to make these big sheets into smaller pieces so that we can use them. There are 2 ways to do this. First, sheets of paper are joined together to form large long rolls. These are passed to the cutting machine to make pieces of sufficient size. Now it is put on a special machine and the pasted sheets are cut and wrapped around it. Another way is to wrap the paper rolls in a large roll without cutting them into smaller pieces. Now small pieces are cut from these big rolls as per requirement. That's how small cello tape we can use from large sheets. That's how from a large sheet, we have a small cello tape that we can use. These are released to the packing station via a conveyor belt. There, the manufacturing company's label sticker is wrapped in plastic and sent to the stores in packets. How was the view of factory manufacturing of thermocol and cello tape? Please comment below and let me know. Of course, you can also report the manufacturing operations of the goods you would like to see. Of course, it can be done. Thanks for watching.